Hi everyone, how are you? I am doing a new video series where I am in my closet and I am going to be doing little different reviews and having a little bit of confessionals and you just never know what. So to kick it off, I have a really cool thing that I really want to show you that I just got delivered to me. It's from my friend Lindsay and it's so cute. Like, I haven't even opened yet. It's still in the box. I did take off like the postage and everything and I unwrapped the seals so I could open it for you guys to see what I got. But it's this new beauty line, and I know there's like tons of beauty lines out there, and that's why I really want to do these different reviews and like show you guys what it's all about. I will have different segments of the video because one part of it will be just reviewing the product, what I see, what I get in the box, how it's packaged, you know, do I like the texture of it? And then the other videos will be like, let me see how it works on. Like, I want to see the actual results. And that will be the third video, is actually seeing like, did it work? And so there'll be 3 segments to it, okay? So, there's a lot of different components to this, so I just want you guys to comment below and let me know your feedback on all of it, on like everything that I'm, you know, reviewing and stuff. I really want to hear what you guys have to say too, and if you have any suggestions on other brands that you want me to review, let me know. Also, put the comments down below too on the product. I want to see what you guys think of the product as well. I will link below on the actual description exactly where you can buy these products, where Lindsay's Instagram is to find, you know, who to go through to get these products, and yeah, so let's get to it. Let's get to the unboxing. So, Lindsay reached out to me and asked if I could review these products, and I said, of course I would. I love, look at this, it's in a new box. And, I was really excited about this because all of her lines that she works with are just so amazing. So, as we open the box, I want to show you a little bit. Okay, so it's from the Beauty Counter, and from beautycounter.com. Beauty should be good for you. And it comes in this really simple packaging, which I like. And it's just like super, super chic. And you get a card here, and it says, we're more than a company, we're a movement. And it's from Greg Renfrew, the founder and CEO of Beauty Counter. So that's really cute. And then it gives you a little order summary. And today we're going to be reviewing, dun dun dun, we're going to be reviewing some daily exfoliated cleanser, some clarifying toner pads, and some face lotion. So once we remove the brown packaging, you got this packaging. It's called Counterman clarifying toner pads. Ugh. And it says, our mission is to get safer products into the hands of everyone. When formulating our products, we prohibit the use of over 1,500 harmful or questionable ingredients. And they have all the ingredients listed right here. And I don't see anything that's like too out of the ordinary. It sounds really organic. And it's made in Santa Monica, California, which I love. So it says, this quick, easy to use pad, remove dirt and excess oil with every swipe. With a blend of witch hazel and green tea extract, the pads invigorate, help tighten pores, and improve skin appearance. All Counterman formula features sequoia stem cell complex and antioxidant to help protect the skin from everyday stress. Sweep over dry face, neck after cleaning, blah, blah, blah. Let's try it. Oh my God, it looks amazing. Okay, so we got that one. We got the Counterman oil-free face lotion. Now, I love having oil-free products because my face is a little bit oily. Like, I don't have anything on it right now. So you can just see, like, this is, like, every day. It's probably, like, 2 o'clock right now. Let's see. So, anything that's oil-free is amazing. So, I'm actually really interested in seeing this. Okay, so it says everything about it. There's water in it. Everything looks pretty, you know, copacetic. It's lightweight and non-greasy, which I love because I use Shiseido Men, and I love that lotion. That lotion's amazing. So if this can compete with it, it's on. Okay, and dun dun dun, we have the Counterman daily exfoliating cleanser. So I definitely wash my face every day, like everyone should. All you men out there, you should be washing your faces, and not with soap. So these cleansers are amazing for your pores and for your skin, and it will help everything. So it unclogs pores. It has the sequoia stem complex in it. It has also the antioxidant to protect skin from everyday stress. So, the packaging's really cute. And I want to see kind of a little bit more. I'm going to open it a little bit more and see what the inside looks like. Okay, so for the cleanser, cute. I like the packaging. Very manly. Very good Valentine's Day gifts or birthday gift, holiday gift. This is a good one. Okay, let me see what the other one looks like. So this is the lotion. So I use the lotion every day after I shave in the shower. And I love, okay, so here it is. Oil-free face lotion. So I definitely want to see how this feels, and I want to feel the texture of it, and I want to see it on my face, and I want to see if it really, you know, is not that greasy. I really like lightweight stuff on my face. Besides that, I don't like anything on my face. Okay. So this are the clarifying tone pads. Cross shot right there. There we go. So, super cute packaging. I like it. It's very masculine. And I can't wait to try all this out. Okay. So, that is the first part of this. And I am going to try out the next step of this in the bathroom, on the sink, and I'm going to try out all these products with a mirror and some better lighting. I don't think I can wash my face in here, even though I want to. I want to try to get a bathroom in my closet. I used to have one. I loved it. It's like everything. Okay, so that was my unboxing video for beautycounter.com. All the details are below, and I hope you guys look more into this product. I think that's amazing that they don't use any of these chemicals, and that it's so like everything's like organic, it's clean, it feels good so far. Like I feel like very zen with it, especially with the packaging and everything. It just looks very simple and chic, and beauty should be good for you. I like that. Okay, subscribe now to my channel, and if not, I will see you on the next video. Okay, bye everyone.